Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard of the Gadget Discovery Club subscription box? I love subscription boxes and I've tried tons. I've done HelloFresh for food. I've done the Gentleman's Club, Birchbox Men. I've even done survival boxes. I've done so many subscription boxes over the years. Some are good, some not so good. So in today's video, I'm going to review the Gadget Discovery box. Now this thing is supposed to have between 1 and 4 tech-related items that value over $125 in value. I love gadgets. I love tech. I know a lot of my subscribers do as well. So I figured I'd bring this to you and I'd unbox it together on this channel. I have no idea what's in here. And I know these are quarterly boxes, so I'll get one of these every quarter, every 3 months. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. All right, now I honestly have no clue at all what's in these things. I haven't watched any videos or reviews online about this, but I did hear about this, and so I figured, you know what, let's check it out. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. I guess there's some padding in here. It says, experience the next level, upgrading your entertainment lifestyle by adopting epic tech gadgets. I love tech gadgets, and if these are epic, I'd be really happy. And I am gonna look later after I film this video and see what the value of this is. Typically with subscription boxes, you're not gonna have home runs in them. You're probably gonna get the value of what you paid, maybe a little bit better, and if you can do better, you win. But it's the surprise that makes a subscription box, and that's what I like about this. So wrapping, nothing left in here. All right, so here it is, just kind of loosely in the box, which actually surprises me. I thought they'd be kind of wrapped individually, but I mean, what do you expect? I mean, they're wrapped within their package. So what's the first item? And I'll just pull them out like this so you can kind of see what you're getting. So the first one that I see is this mini boom. So I'm guessing this is like a Bluetooth speaker. And again, as I go through these, I'll put whatever I find these for, the cheapest I find them for online. We'll kind of add it up, see what kind of value you get. This box did cost $99, so it was $99. I know if you pay in advance, you can get it for $89, and it comes quarterly, so every 3 months. So this is the first item. It's by Rise. It says mini boom speaker. Some of the features of this thing, actually, I'm not going to go through all of them on here because I'll look for the price of it, but I'll have to look into this. I don't know much about this. I do love Bluetooth speakers. This one's really small, so this could be really fun because you could throw it in your pocket. You could probably connect it to like e-bikes or something like that if you are riding out there. So there's options. A little mini Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth speakers can be very inexpensive. So if this one is really good, it might be a little pricier. I'm guessing in the $50 to $60 range. I don't know. Sometimes you can get them for like 20 bucks. So that's the first item, mini boom speaker. Most people probably have them. If you don't, here you go. All right, next item here is a Momo stick. Now I've seen these. I've never actually used one, but it connects to the back of your phone so you can kind of hold it up. They're just higher quality of those little pops that I don't know if you've ever seen them on your phones where you can pop it and you can stick your finger in. This is kind of a more high-end one because you can crinkle it up and you can set your phone this way, upright. So it kind of holds it up, or you can use your finger and hold it. Kind of sticks to the back of your phone. I don't know how good it sticks. You could probably stick it to the back of your phone cases as well, but it's called a Momo stick. I think these are probably about $10. I can't imagine it'd be more than that. So if my calculations are right, we're talking 60 bucks right here. So we're almost to the 90, but are we gonna hit there with this? Looks like there's just one more item in here. Nothing else left in the box. There's 3. It says you're gonna get between 1 and 4. Obviously the more expensive boxes will only have 1. Native HQ wireless charger. So this is one of those where you have to have a compatible phone. So you have to have like, you know, an iPhone or one of the newer Android phones where you can just set it on and charge. We don't have to plug it in. Very convenient. I have one of these on my nightstand. I actually, I've heard of this brand. This is the Native HQ. So I know these are kind of expensive. I don't know the exact amount, to be honest with you, but I'm guessing, again, in the $60 range. So if I'm right, we're talking 60, and 10. So what's that, $130-ish. I'll put the exact prices as I'm going through this in edit, but that'd be my guess. I'm just guessing. So you paid $99. You got more than your value of it. I think it's actually kind of fun. I like this. I didn't know what to expect. I haven't watched any videos on it. There's certain things I like with gadgets. I like things that I can use for entertainment. So I do like the idea of the Momo stick. I don't know if I will use it or give it away on my channel. I do like Bluetooth speakers. I don't know how good this one is, but this thing right here, the wireless charger, I'll probably use personally. These I might just do like giveaways on my channel. But the Native HQ, I could see using this. I've heard of this one, and I know the one I bought was like $15. It's not great. It doesn't always work. You have to have your phone just right. It does kind of scratch up my nightstand. So this will be nice if it has good legs. I'm not going to open it up on camera, but I'll have to check this out. I'll put links to these 3 items so you can see the value of them. Of course, I'll put it on this video, and then I'll put a link to where you can get one of these guys. This is kind of fun. I love gadgets. Is it worth it? I mean, for the surprise of it, yeah. I don't expect the world, and I think some people do. They expect to get $1,000 value, and they only paid $100. Life's not like that, guys. So if you're going to get a box for $99, if I get at least $99, I'm happy. I like surprises. So for me, I give it a thumbs up. I give it the approval, the Curiosity Cafe approval on the Discovery box here. Again, it's called the Gadget Discovery Club. Subscription boxes are awesome. I might do more. If you guys like this video and you want to see subscription boxes, mystery unboxings, things like that, there's a lot of different brands out there, a lot of companies out there that do these mystery boxes. I wouldn't mind doing it. That way you can access it, you can save the video, decide if you want to give it as a gift. Mystery boxes like this that come every quarter or every month are awesome gifts. I did a wine club one for my family members, and they love it because every month they get new wine, and you never know what you're going to get. That's the cool thing about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions about this or any of my other videos, go ahead and comment down below. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.